Hello guys, welcome to a video of mine. Today I'm gonna be showing you my PC parts that I have so far. So let's get started. So first I have this B550 motherboard. It's from MSI and it's the PRO-VDH Wi-Fi version, so it has built-in Wi-Fi. Um, the build is on an AM4 platform, so I'll also be using an AM4 CPU. This motherboard has PCIe 4, so you can use like a PCIe 4 GPU, and it has PCIe 4 for SSD. So for storage, you can use a Gen 4 SSD, so that gives you higher speeds, stuff like that. Second thing I have is the Ryzen CPU, of course. It's a 5600X. So and with a stock cooler. Yeah. So this CPU is good because it was a similar price to the 5600. So I just went with this one because it's a good budget CPU. The other thing I have is 32 gigabytes of RAM. So this is a Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4, of course. Um, clocked at 32 megahertz, and I got it on a discount. So and then the last thing I have is this Kingston NV3 PCIe 4 SSD, and it's 1 terabyte with read and write speeds of up to 6,000 megabytes. So this is like one of the fastest budget SSDs, I guess. And these, I love the parts. I love how they look. They look very nice, and I'm building this PC on a budget, so I have to like opt for cheaper parts, sort of. Um, this is the RAM. I think it looks really nice. This is my first ever PC. Like, it's not just my first build; it's just first ever PC. So I guess this is it's a bit like of a weird feeling for me. But I'll open this also. Um, this is the CPU, Ryzen CPU. Um, it's really good because it also supports PCIe 4 GPUs, so you can basically use Gen 4 GPUs at like the max performance, and it has the stock cooler, of course. And then the motherboard is it's really nice because it has Wi-Fi, and I need Wi-Fi for mine, and also has a heat spread, so that's really cool. Um, and this build so far is it's costed me 365 euros, which is quite quite above the budget because I'm just buying part by part. So it's fine though because it's gonna be for my own use. So it's not like I need to budget too much because I want to use it properly and enjoy it and stuff like that. So no point of going cheap. Um, yeah, and the future parts I'm planning to get are um a case, obviously. I'm possibly thinking on to get like um a Corsair 4000D case or a Montech case, one of the nice Montech cases. I'm not sure if this motherboard has a USB-C header. So I need to see that when I'm gonna buy the case because there's no point of getting a case with USB-C and then having a motherboard that doesn't really support USB-C. But I guess it doesn't hurt because for a case you can just use it for future builds. The other thing I'm planning to get is an overkill power supply, probably 1000 watts. I'm not sure which one yet, but I'm looking at Superflower LEDX Gold VII. It's really like a highly rated power supply, but I guess I'll do more research into that when I have the money. And for the GPU, I'm planning to get a 7800 XT. depending on how much money I have. And since the 90 series GPUs are coming out soon, so I'm gonna see the prices on those, and I'll probably be getting that in the summer. So that's gonna be like a few months. So the GPU shortage is gonna settle down and stuff like that. Yeah, or if I don't have too much money, I'll probably get like 7600 XT because I want more VRAM for future, and because I want to try do some video editing on it, and some maybe learn Blender, something like that. So yeah, these are the things that I'm trying to get right now for to complete the PC. But for monitor and peripherals, I don't really know what peripherals I want to get. But monitor, I'm thinking of getting a dual monitor setup with the monitor arms. I'm thinking of getting a 1080p, like 180 hertz monitor as like the side one, and then a 1440p 180 hertz or so monitor as the main one, because I'm trying to go for a 1440p build, but that just depends on the graphics card because graphics card it costs the most. So basically, the graphics card is probably gonna cost like more than the other parts combined. So yeah, that's fun. So I hope you enjoyed this just quick video showing off the parts that I have so far. And yeah, if you want to ask me any questions or give me any advice or give me any feedback about the video, please let me know because this is my first video, of course, and I'm new to like PC building and stuff like that. So anything would be appreciated, and make sure to comment because that's how I'll know if the video is good or not. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.